Hello, I should have checked my messenger by now as I am on this place. It's called Duhat. It's just we've just walked it from our location up to here. And you asked me how did I come from a suburban area up to this mountain area, because this mountain area was just like literally near. Only if there were no obstacle that would block our way. Yes. Now, see, I'm now surrounded with all of this bamboos and different sorts of grasses. They're mostly grasses. But I can see some trees that were tall, also tall. But I bet if I really trekked that part, I wouldn't really see anything so special. Would I? Like some mammals or some kind of bird that were little unique on this that I haven't seen on this region. I don't know what place we will went to if we really trek this place from here up to there. Where will this take me? I don't know what they're doing. They've said that they are collecting some gold dust. But have a look at the water here. It wasn't really that sparkly. Hello guys, I have been with them. That's Calvin. This is James. James, say hi. This is JP Alagon, the most naughty of them all. And this is my Poggy. Pogs, have a look at the camera. Poggy. I don't know what will I say to you eh. Oh my gosh, look at them. They are grazing. Poggy, be careful. Poggy is beside you. You might slice him. You might slice his hand. No. Can't you see me taking a video mo?
Hello! Sila mga burat.
Will you have that camera face on me? P, harap mo sa akin. Hello! How are you all? Look at I am hiking on this very treacherous path. What? Why do you need my supply? This is really the life of the
Parang uulan ah. Yes guys. Here in Puno-Puno.
yeah. Here in Puno-Puno, what's with that Puno-Puno basin?
Tree.
Yeah.
Aliber pangit. Uy, pero makoy.
Bukas na gabi. Para anong shiny alam mo.
Look, can't you hear the chirp of the bird? It sounds unique.
Uy, huwag kumain nga James.
Alam mo yun, Ben?
Mahal. Here in Calvin, Pogi. Ah, saklay kayo.
Yun, ito nga inang din. Ang tawag dito, ang tawag nga din.
Napasikat to.
Ay, sir, di mo nga stable.
Damag si Cardi.
Nakalimutan ko pa ako nga rin.
Harry Potter!
Hindi, ang tawag ko kay Liber sa may saging na may along asukal, tapos kamo, ano? Basta saging. Yung ano, tawag dito, dinadurog. Lalatek, hindi.
Bananita!
Binatog.
Binatog! Tapa!
ano,
Binangkal.
Binato.
binanggal yun.
But try to not say that the saging will be cracked.
Binangkal yung kinaya natin kanina.
Hindi binangkal, maruya. Hindi maruya. Binangkal was a bread.
Ganda ng puno. Puno. Tree yan. Yung, ayan o.
Ay, late time pa.
Eh, puso na sa akin.
Ay, ito, ganyan.
Patay tayo dito po. Ang hirap aakyat. Parang kagaya ni...
Ay, sabay nyo naman lang, makaipit. Kaya pasabay kami yan. Puso sa akin yan.
Liber, tingin ka sa live.
Yeah, was that live? I thought that was just a recording. Don't know that you know how to
Puno ng saging. Yan po.
Oh my gosh, some of the dragonfly were perching on that wire. Have a look. They're all paired. Nasa wire sila lahat to. You know what it can't be seen?
Dragonfly.
That length of that white.
Ano dragonfly?
Let me see JT if that still is recording. Let me just check. Yeah, it's still recording.
Babagal na ito maglakad oh. Oh, gangsta! Baby gangsta! Grrrr! Here, farm! Wow! Farm!
Was that even a farm?
Here! Here!
Just
Here!
like a lane,
Here!
wasn't it?
Wow!
Isn't it?
Good!
Yeah.
Uy, narasa mo suntok.
You know?
JT is trying. Have a look at his accent.
Look in you!
Ana camera.
Uy! Ako muna. Putol-putol yung kamay.
Tumata putol-putol ang kamay.
Tsak, bayang. 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 Ang pogi, Pogs. Eh, papaya. Here, papaya.
Happy tayo, tol.
Happy tayo dyan, Ben.
Tol, tara tol.
Ina mo. Ang ganda ng farm nila. Wow. Saan pa tingnan? Wow.
Dito yun, malampi. Ang pangalan ng tol?
Kakahinga lang.
Diyo, balik ka kayo?
Uy, kayo, pero makantay kayo. Gumaganda ang paligid. Dito na kami. Ulam na ito.
ng...
Kambing, kambing. Meh! Caliber! Tingin sa camera. Caliber! Irsan! Hindi nagpakita yung Irsan. Caliber! Tingin sa camera. Caliber! Tingin sa camera. Caliber, oh! Caliber! Tingin sa camera.
Yan, look. That's the city.
Uy, look!
Can you see it now?
First time ang puta.
No. Bang, sarap.
First time ni JP.
That was the city.
Look! Ang ganda!
But it's still visible in the rooftop.
Wow! Herein! Ang ganda!
Kaya nga.
Wow!
Caliber, doon tayo sa rooftop nyo. Tambay.
Ang ganda ng anawin! Ay, anawin.
Anawin. Oh my God.
Ah!
The view. What part? Mesmerizing.
Bobo mo video ni JP.
Ay, yung pogi na, no?
We may have a...
Pogi na kaklase ko dati, oh.
Yeah. We're now on this. We are walking 10 minutes.
With Philippines!
JP tabi. Go for it.
Wow, in sasakyan. Car! Car. Car pala, car. Ay, dog! Look, dog.
What should I look at that? That was the dog. You don't know that
Look,
dog.
dog.
Mamuna na kayo pero mag-aantay kami dun eh.
Why?
Mag-aantay. Ay, sa
Why would you wait for...
Kaya mag-aantay.
Why would you just wait for some sundo?
Gusto mo mauna ka, Caliber?
Are you all sure?
Mauna ka?
Yeah, if that was Calvin's request. But who would join me? Is it just me?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, ako
Tapos
lang.
hanggang gabi, hindi pa rin tayo nakakaalam.
Samahan mo ako, Pogs. Sige.
Sama sa niyo, Tods?
You three.
Sige, tayong tatlo na lang.
Pogs.
Ako na rin. Sasama na rin ako, Caliber.
Hala, sama kami sa kanila.
Ay, di namin kasama niya. Ito lang tayo, wait muna tayo ng 5 minutes. Para ano, pahinga rin.
Oh my gosh, you're just tired because you've been swimming and also moving a lot. While me, it's still not even enough to at least pump some 65 beats per minute to my heart. Hold on, pag ito.
Yagi, nakatapak si Jason pa eh.
Oo nga.
The first
Ayun mo.
Lisa.
Peace ka, peace.
I hope that they would establish some store. Sarap ko. Oh, go naman.
Antay lang tayo ng 5 minutes.
You know what? You know the reason.
Pagod na ako, Gar.
My age is quite uncomfortable. To the other girls and to the other boys that we're having.
Hi ka, Caliber, hi!
Hello, mga pare. Pogi, oh. So, wala eh.
Tol.
Pangkamasan mga kasi. Grabing lower dyan.
Each mango. Paano pag inipera na lang ako?
Hi! Hi! Hi mga tol! Hello po!
Ang malaki rin.
Na ilalim.
Na yan. Malaki kasi sa'yo. Pwede yan dito mas magilid. You can have the crest on your left side or right side depending on your taste. But since you have
Pagod ako dun ah.
the tendency is that
Sa
it
iyo.
would
Yee!
fold it into the middle. Hello! Oh my God. We need to be very careful as this area was quite steep. And some light might strike here. But,
Oy!
oh my gosh, JB!
Nakakita mo yung cute. Ano daw? What is called? This is called Lucky. Lucky charm.
Lucky sir. Ano lucky sir mo, Ben?
Hello guys!
Sunset to. Ito ka mo. Ben. Ano, pag pinakuha ka ng bakal dyan,
Ay, yung truck.
yung truck sa akin.
Okay, ayan. Kasi ano yung alon yun.
Mahal ba yung ano mo, Ben?
Tiniisip ko pag... Daber, hi ka!
Hello! Hello friends and families! Oh, look at that. What's that? Are they flapping of the sword? Just to avoid some earthquake.
Ang ganda ng sunset ko.
Yeah, that view was quite awesome. As we're in some sort of... I don't know. Oh my gosh. If this breaks, it wouldn't be my fault.
Wala kayo sa video.
Ben, ayun na Ben, nakikita ko na.
Kami terragate.
Ayun na lang. Ayun na, mababaw. Kunti lang.
Ikaw ko kalima. Ano ka? Wala bang natin din sa totoo lang.
Di mo lang kung isang daan
Grabe
yun.
yung kanina yung pagwala ka, ikaw na lang.
Kung isang daan yun ka ba? Ano to?
What are you trying? What are you looking for?